What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my first unboxing on YouTube. I've done them on Instagram and stuff, but I just haven't done one on YouTube yet. I just received my package, and hopefully there's no information on here, but this is how it came. This is really nicely packaged. It has a bunch of like fragile stickers all over it. It has a do not crush sticker on it. I was stalking the mailman all day today, and he was very sneaky and did not ring the doorbell, and he kind of just left it by my door. So I'm gonna unbox it live with you guys and show you what I got. This was a wish list plant, and I spent a lot of money on it, so I hope that it looks good. It has a lot of stuffing. I've bought this from the seller before. And the last time that there's like more stuffing and stuff at the bottom. I think there's probably a heat pack in here. But yeah, there's a heat pack at the bottom, and it's actually still warm. That's pretty cool. So that's what it looks like. I ordered from a seller on this app where I pretty much sell like all my stuff. It's called Mercari, and I'll link it down below. I sell like a bunch of my makeup, like things I don't want around the house anymore. And there's a lot of people on there that sell either cuttings or full plants. I think this one was a cutting that they rooted or started to root. So I try to aim for those if you can. And the good thing about the app is like you can, the seller will post whatever price they want, but you can actually like make an offer, and then they can either decline it or they can counter offer back. So it's kind of nice. You don't really have to, you can chat with them and ask questions and things like that, but if you don't want to interact, you can kind of just do that to you know, get a better price on it. So there's bubble wrap, and then there's more paper, and then there is like the poly stuff. I pretty much reuse all this stuff when I sell plants. I sell plants on my Mercari app as well too. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's like in a Starbucks cup or something. There you go. So I got myself a Monstera Albo, and it looks like it just opened up a new leaf. So from the time that I purchased it till now, it just opened up a new leaf. It looks like a little baby leaf with no fenestration. So, and they actually shipped it out in this Starbucks cup. The seller said they have been taking care of it or growing it out in leca. So I'm gonna keep it in leca. Definitely not gonna keep it in this cup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me do a close-up on the plant. So here's a close-up of the plant. Some of the leaves are a little bit curled in. So I think this was just a cutting that's been getting rooted in leca. Let's see. That's what this leaf looks like. It's a little bit of browning and stuff, but it's probably normal. Probably from trying to like, there's a little bit of a brown spot there. This is the new leaf that just unfurled. It's a little baby leaf. I should have asked. I'm probably gonna message the seller and see if he or she has been, I think it's a woman, if she has been using like nutrients, because this also looks a little bit burnt. If she's been using nutrients in her water. Because if she hasn't, that means I need to start with a really low dosage of it in the water and then go up from there. I'm pretty happy with this. It's super cute. I love the size of it. I did not want to buy like a huge version of this. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.